is there any particular reason that people get nosebleed in winters? Is it something common?
Yeah, nosebleed. See, there is a predisposition for the nosebleed even in summers and also during the winters. So, since you have asked why in the winter season it's more common, so let me put in this way. So, the air current will be more chill and dry during the winter seasons. So, the dryness in the nose takes place more. So, people who are already having some anatomical abnormalities in the nose, such as deviated nasal septum, pre-existing sinus infection or allergy, they'll be prone for more bleeding during this time, because the simple crust, when we try to rub off, the skin it scratches and the blood vessels open and come out. And second thing is in sinus infection, because already body is having such a insult, so there will be a more blood supply, to put it in a layman term. So the blood vessel size also enlarges and it gives away certain period. So then also they have this bleeding, or they would observe this mucus with blood from the nose, or they spit out mucus with blood from the mouth in the early morning. So these things happens during the cold weather.
But is there any home remedy that we can follow to stop or prevent nosebleed?
Yeah, definitely. See, as soon as we get bleed, so we can't get immediately treatment if it's not there within our reach from the specialist or the primary physician. So first let us speak about how to prevent this. Okay, so get it evaluated beforehand if you are already having a deviation in the septum, if there is any disturbance in your breathing or mouth breathing or snoring, and if you are having a more than 3 to 4 episodes of cold, or if you are getting cold and lasting long for more than 10 to 15 days, so where the natural immunity is not working and you're suffering, so get it evaluated, because during cold seasons you won't be exposed such bleeding from the nose. Second thing is, whenever you're clearing the nose, so don't give much pressure to clear, so you shouldn't blow your nose forcefully. So always try to open your mouth partially and lift your cheek up and blow, so that the pressure gets distributed between your mouth and nose, and whatever the mucus is supposed to come, it will come. And don't ever try to close one nostril and blow the other nostril forcefully. So that will also lead to the bleeding and also ear infection. And third thing is, don't finger your nose unnecessarily. That will also trigger the bleeding. And unfortunately, if you encounter any such bleeding when you are in home or in office or in school, so don't panic. So try to pinch your nose very gently. So come forward and open your mouth and breathe like this. So by doing this, so the pressure itself will help the coagulation system to get activated and it will control the bleed. And if you have access to any cold ice cubes, so try to keep it on the nose. And if you have any cold water, try to take it and gargle to the palate. So that will also help to arrest the bleeding. Apply the simple coconut oil, okay, by dipping your little finger and smear it to the outer nostrils, so that the dryness will come down, acting like a natural moisturizer. So these are the home remedies what you can do when you don't have specialist or primary physician to access.